Hello students, today we will learn how to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second and meter per second into kilometer per hour. So let's take an example. If I have to convert 72 kilometer per hour into meter per second, what I need to do? So first of all, 72 kilometer per hour means 72 kilometer in 1 hour. That means if I have to convert it into meter per second, I need to convert kilometers into meters, hour into seconds. So we already know 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. That means 72 kilometer is equals to 72 into 1000 meter, which is equals to 72,000 meter. Similarly, 1 hour is equals to 60 minute and 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. That means if I will write for 1 hour will be equals to 60 into 60. In place of minute, we will write down the value of minutes. Then we'll get it equals to 3600 seconds. So what we will do now, we will substitute in place of 72 kilometer what it equals to in terms of meter. So that is 72,000 meter. Then in place of 1 hour, we will substitute here in terms of seconds. So 1 hour is equals to 3600 seconds. Now we will simplify it. We can cancel these two zeros. Then if you want to simplify, you can simplify it with 9. 9 fours are 36. 9 eights are 72 and 0 will come here. Then 4 ones are 4 and 4 20s are 80. So finally the answer is 20 meter per second. That means 72 kilometer per hour is equals to 20 meter per second. Now let's take the similar example. 81 kilometer per hour into meter per second. So we have to do the same. 81 kilometer per hour can be written as 81 kilometer in 1 hour. So we already know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. That means 81 kilometer is equals to 81 into 1000 meter. And 1 hour we already know it is equals to 3600 seconds. Now we will just substitute the values. In place of this, we'll write down 81,000 meter, which we will get from it, divided by, in place of 1 hour, we will write down 3600 seconds. Now we will simplify it. 9 fours are 36, then 9 nines are 81, 0 will come here, then 2s are, then 45, then you will get 45 by 2, which when you will divide, you will get it equals to 22.5 meter per second. If you want to do that way, you can do that way, or you can do it like that. At the end, when we cancel the zeros, we are getting 810 over 36. You can divide 810 with 36 also. When you will divide it, you will get the same answer. So 36 twos are 72. We'll get here 9 and then a 0. Then again we'll write on here 2. Then 72. We'll get here 1, 8. And then we have to put a point here. Then a 0 here. Then 5s are, if you will do, you will get it equals to 180. So we will get the same answer. Now we have learned how to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. Now let's learn how to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour. So for that, let's take an example. If it is given, convert 45 meter per second to kilometer per hour. So that means 45 meter in 1 second. So we already know 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. That means 1 meter is equals to 1 divided by 1000 kilometer. 45 meter will be equals to 45 into 1 over 1000 kilometer, which is equals to 45 over 1000 kilometer. So we got the value for 45 meters. Similarly, 1 hour we already did, it is equals to 3600 seconds. That means 1 second is equals to 1 divided by 3600 hours. So now we will put the values here. That means in terms of 45 meter, we'll write down 45 over 1000 kilometer. In place of second, we'll write down 1 over 3600 R. Now it's a fraction division. That means I can write it as divided by 1000 divided by this particular symbol means divided by. So the fraction division, I hope you are clear with. So what we will do here, we will change this division to multiplication. It will be written like this, divided by 1, then we can simplify. So I'll get here 5 nines are 45, 5 twos are, then I will divide, ones are, 18s are, and then finally when I multiply 18 with 9, I'll get 162 kilometer per hour. So that's the answer for this particular question. Let's take another example, 30 meter per second into kilometer per hour. That means 30 meter in 1 second. Now we know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. 1 meter will be equals to 1 over 1000 kilometer. 30 meter will be equals to 30 into 1 over 1000 kilometer, which is equals to 30 over 1000 kilometer. You can simplify here. You will get finally 3 over 100 kilometer. Now let's find out for 1 hour is equals to 3600 seconds. 1 second will be equals to 1 over 3600 hours. Now we will substitute the value in place of 30 meter. We'll write down 3 over 100 kilometer. In place of this, we'll write down 1 over 3600 hour. Now it means division, I already told you. We'll write down in place of this divided by 1 over 3600. Now fraction division, we will change it into multiplication, write the reciprocal, we will cancel the zeros, and when I'll multiply 36 with 3, I'll get 108 kilometer per hour. So this is how we can change kilometer per hour into meter per second and meter per second into kilometer per hour. I hope you understand the topic very well. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share my channel link with your friends. And also leave a comment in the comment section so that this video will reach to the wider audience. Thanks for watching.